Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across a Google Chrome error that perhaps you're trying to update the Chrome browser and it says your browser is managed by your organization. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial on how to go about resolving this problem, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Google Chrome web browser. So the first thing you want to do is just go ahead and left click on the three-dotted vertical icon near top right corner of the browser screen. So go left click on that and then select more tools and then select settings. Scroll down to near the bottom and select advanced. Scroll down again. Underneath reset and cleanup, select restore settings to their original defaults. So this will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pin tabs. It will also disable all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your bookmarks, history, and safe passwords will not be cleared. Select reset settings. So once that has gone through, you want to go ahead and just close out of here, relaunch the Chrome web browser, and that should be able to hopefully resolve your issue. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.